Hello, gardening enthusiasts. Today, we're going to uncover an incredible secret that can make your cucumbers healthier and more productive than ever before. Did you know there are simple and natural methods that can improve the growth of your plants without using chemicals? If you want to find out how, stay with me until the end of the video. If you love gardening and want more tips like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new tricks for your garden. In today's video, we'll talk about how baking soda and milk can become your best allies in keeping your cucumbers healthy. Sounds unusual, right? But this is a secret many gardeners use to improve the quality of their produce and protect their plants from diseases. Sounds magical. Wait until you hear how it works. First, let's talk about how baking soda helps your cucumbers. Baking soda has excellent properties that can help prevent diseases like downy mildew and other fungal infections that commonly affect cucumbers. It also helps in balancing the pH levels in the soil, which is crucial for plant health. The combination of baking soda and milk creates a natural spray that not only prevents diseases, but also improves the quality of your produce. Milk contains proteins and minerals that can strengthen the plants and boost their growth. Now, let's get to the part you've been waiting for: how to prepare this amazing fertilizer. You'll need 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 liter of milk, 1 liter of water. Simply mix these ingredients together and put them into a spray bottle. This will be your natural protection and fertilizer for cucumbers after spraying the plants. Don't forget to water them regularly and make sure they get enough sunlight, because your cucumbers won't wait. If you use this method regularly, you'll notice a difference in the health of your plants, and your fruits will be bigger and tastier. Just imagine how proud you'll be when you have the best cucumbers in the neighborhood. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and share it with your friends. And of course, subscribe to the channel, because even more fantastic gardening tips are coming soon. Thanks for watching. And good luck with your cucumbers.